Hey guys, it's me back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the i7s, so technically like AirPods, and we're going to be joining, my sister's going to be joining today. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, and the i7s, as you see, they're just like AirPods, but like they're just like for they're more for Android, and Apple did work with them to build these, but obviously they're not real, but yeah. So yeah, let's get, how do we even, take this thing out. Okay, and we get this. It's like, oh, whoa. These are pretty big, but I mean, wait, it's wrong here. I mean, still look good. I mean, they still connect. Yeah, they still connect and stuff. And I've already unboxed these to see. Oh, sorry, that must be terrible. Sorry, I've already unboxed these like yesterday, but I got a mini portable USB. It's very small, so I just use my charger, and you just fit it through there, but it's kind of hard. Ooh. See, that's very hard. And we also got given oh yeah, we got given this. We got given these, and I'll show you why we need these. This goes into this, like this, like going into the hole, and then you plug it. And you plug both of them in, and then you put the connect the USB or anything that you've got into there, and they will flash red. Mine, they're already charged and they're fully working. So, oh yeah, I got the USB stuff in the back because I was thinking, obviously, I would get them. It's an i7s. They're called the i7s manual. Yeah, and when you open it, like, they have a thing to connect. Oh yeah, and on the side it has like a bunch of colours, like white, black, red, gold, rose gold, blue. But I just choose white because obviously that's the ordinary, like, original colour.
And it's, plain and nice.
Yeah, and I waited so long for these, if you didn't know. I waited 3 months because I was supposed to be getting them on the 4th of April, but they came on the 4th of May. So yeah, they fit in, they look decent, just a bit big, but from far away people just, think they're just ordinary AirPods, and they're not AirPods, i7s, which I think. And inside they have they have these, but connected inside, so you can just put the AirPods straight through. That's a different way to charge them. I'll show you the different way right now. So, turn this button on, and it will flash and red, and yeah, it will flash red, and then you get one of these. I just need to get it. Okay, you get one of these. It's not charged in, but you get one of these, and then you plug this into the connector, like I just said. And I've got one, but I just can't get it because, like, yeah. And you open them, and it says red, and I think that means charged, but probably not. But they're already charged. And then when you take them out, they should say like flash. Sometimes they do say power on. Wait, let me show you guys. Wait, you might hear it. There's a button here, like right here. Wait. Yeah, you might not have heard that, but it says like a Siri woman saying like power on.
And when the red flashing, say that.
So yeah. Me and my sister tried these out yesterday. What did you think of them? What did you think?
Yeah, it was okay. It was a little bit like big, but it was okay.
They did fit though. Let me just put these back in. And yeah, that's going to be my AirPod i7s reviews for today. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Like a Hellcat.